Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the postulates and basic theorem available in Boolean Algebra in a single tabular column. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive, link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic postulates and basic theorem of Boolean Algebra in order to solve the Boolean expression. First we will see the postulates. The second column A refers the OR operation, plus operation. The third column B refers the AND operation, that is dot product, dot operation. We will see the postulate. First we will see the postulate. Postulate 1. What is the postulate 1? Result of each operation is 0 or 1 that belongs to S. Suppose if we perform the two variables A and B is available. C equal to A plus B means if AB refers to belongs to S means the C also belongs to S. The input variable belongs to certain variable means the resultant variable C also belongs to S. That is the given by the first postulates. That is result of each operation is 0 or 1 that belongs to S, right. So the input variable as well as the result also belongs to S. Then the second one, identity. Identity is A plus 0 equal to A. With variable A, if we add 0, we will give the same variable, A plus 0 equal to A. Similarly, A dot 1, with a variable, if we multiply 1, we will get the same variable, right. So A plus 0 also A dot 1 also A. Then the third one, commutative. A plus B can be written as B plus A, right. AB in the order or B plus A. Similarly, A dot B is equal to B dot A. Both are equal. We can multiply in either order, either AB or BA. Then the fourth one, distributive. Distributive, what is distributive? A into B plus C can be written as A into B plus A into C, right. So A into B, A of B plus C is written as AB plus BC. Similarly, A plus BC can be written as A plus B into A plus C, right. We can write like this. This is called a distributive law, right. Then complement. Complement is nothing but A plus A bar equal to 1. Suppose A equal to 1 means A bar will be 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Suppose A is 0 means A bar will be 1. So 0 plus 1 again will get 1. So number with complement of number will give always 1. A into A bar becomes 0 because A equal to 1 means A bar will be 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Suppose A equal to 0 means A bar will be 1. 0 into 1 also 0, right. So addition of two complement will give 1. Multiplication of two complement automatically give the 0 value, right. These are all the 5 postulates available in the Boolean algebra. Next, now we will go to the theorems. There are 6 theorems available. First one, idempotency theorem. A plus A equal to A. If a variable A, again if you add the same variable, it will give the result will be the same only. A plus A equal to A. So that is in case of AND operator, A into A equal to A. If you multiply A variable with the same variable, the return will be same variable only. Similarly, A plus 1 equal to 1. What is that A plus 1? If A may be any variable, any value, it may be 0 or 1. If it is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. If it is 1, 1 plus 1 also 1. So any variable added between 1 will give 1 only, because 1, otherwise 1 plus any variable, anything may be, it may be any value, the result will be 1 only, right. We no need to worry about this value, it may be 0 or 1, but with the result will be 1. Similarly, A dot 0 equal to 0, because one variable is 0. Whatever may be the A value, it will, while multiplying, it will give only 0 value, right. So A plus 1 equal to 1, A dot 0 equal to 0. Then A double bar. While taking A double bar, it will give the original value. A bar, again will take the bar, it will give the normal value A, right. So the double complement will return the original value. Then absorption theorem. Absorption theorem, A plus AB equal to A. A into A plus B equal to A, right. So this theorem proof available in separate video. Here only the main points are given, right? So a plus ab equal to a into a plus b also a. Then another, this is an important theorem, a into a bar b equal to a plus b, right? A plus a bar b equal to a plus. What is that? A is available. Here what is available? Complement of a and another variable b. So in that case what we can write? We can write a as it is. A bar b, in that a bar b we need to write the second variable b alone, right? No need to write a bar, right? So this is the first variable a written as it is. B is second variable written as it is. What is this variable? Is nothing but the complement of this first variable, right? So what are the things we need to write? A is written as it is. This a bar no need to written. Write the b as it is, right? So a plus a bar equal to b, a bar b equal to a plus b. The same thing here, a into a bar plus b equal to ab. Here a plus b, here a into b, right? Similarly another one, associative law, associative theorem, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c, right? So we can add b and c together, then we can add with a, otherwise a and b can be added together, that can be added with c. Both are equal, both will give the same value, right? Similarly a into bc equal to ab into c, right? B and c is multiplied along with a, otherwise a and b is multiplied then multiplied with c. Both will give the same value, right? So this is coming under associative law, right? So that there are 6 laws available, right? So while solving the problem it will be easier. All six theorems and all 5 postulates are given in a single tabular column. So in this video we discuss about the postulates and basic theorem available in the Boolean algebra in order to solve the Boolean expressions. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.